Here 10th chapter problem menstruation, very important this model. See once. A woman self-help group, it is called Dwakra, is supplied a rectangular solid. Rectangular solid means cubites of wax with 66 centimeters, 42 centimeters, 21 centimeters to prepare cylindrical candles, each 4.2 centimeters in diameter and 2.8 centimeters of height. Find the number of candles. So here first rectangular solid means what? Here rectangular solid means it is indirectly cuboid only. So cuboid measurements they given, you take cuboid. So length equal to 66 centimeters, breadth equal to 42 centimeters, h equal to 21 centimeters, they only given here. Again here cylinder measurements also they given, cylindrical candles. So diameter d equal to 4.2 centimeters. So diameter we have to convert into, means according using diameter we have to find the radius. So radius formula what? R equal to d by 2. So d equal to how much is there? 4.2. 4.2 divided by 2. So cancellation do it. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 0.21 ja. So 2.1 centimeters. Radius equal to 2.1 centimeters. Then h equal to given here 2.8 centimeters. 2.8 centimeters. Now let number of candles equal to x you take. Now x equal to, listen in this case, how many candles we have to prepare, how many cubites, how many cones. This type come means simple you remember volume of bigger one by volume of smaller one. So here cuboid measurements are more there, means this one from cuboid we have to prepare the cylinder. So bigger one is the cuboid and smaller one is the cylinder. So volume, see x equal to number of candles equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of cylinder. Then you write the formula, volume of cuboid equal to L into B into H divided by volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square H. Here L equal to, here we, how much is there? 66. Substitute here 66 into B equal to, here how much is there? 42. 42 substitute here into H equal to 21 divided by, again pi means already we know this, 22 by 7 into, here R equal to, here we find how much you got here? 2.1 whole square into, again h equal to 2.8. So now you write it this one here, what they given here? 66 into 42 into 21 divided by, here this 22 by 7 into, here 2.1 whole square, there means what? 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.8, you write it. This equal to x equal to, now this one upon which one there, that you write it as is 66 into 42 into 21 divided by, this one also you write it 22 by 7 as it is into, here point to terminate it. So means what? Terminate means 21 by, before point 1, after point how many numbers are there? 1, so 1 0, right? This one also become like that only, 21 by 10 into, here also 28 by, before point we have to write 1, after point 1 number there, no 1 0 we have to write. Then this one as it is you write it, denominator which one there, 66 into 42 into 21 divided by, this all reciprocals will get, means 22 by 7 become 7 by 22. You write it here, into 7 by 22. Again here also 21 by 10 become 10 by 21 into this one also 10 by 21 into 10 by 28. Now here what you have to do here, cancellation. See, 22 1 ja 22 3 ja. Now 21 1 ja 21 2 ja, cancellation. Here 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. Again 7 1 3 1 ja 3 7 ja, cancellation. Next 7 1 ja 7 4 ja, cancellation. Now 2 5 ja 2 2 ja. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Next which one there, that you write it, 3 into, here only here how much is there, 10 into 10 into 5. Now 3 10 ja 30, 10 5 ja 50. Here multiply with 0 means we will get 0 only. Now 5 0 ja 0, 5 3 ja 15. You write it here. Therefore number of candles are 1500 we have to prepare.